AmazerBath. I thought this one was really cool. It's a compact toilet brush cleaner, because how much do we all hate having toilet brush cleaners and plungers and things in the bathroom that don't look attractive? I thought this one was perfect for our guest bathroom because, like I said, it's super cute, super compact. Let's take it out of this packaging and see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is out of its packaging. Let's see what we have inside. We basically have the brush, which this is super cute. Look at this. So you put this, you screw it in. How cute is that? That's awesome. And this, I have to say, this is a nice, really nice sturdy brush. Like, that is definitely going to clean a toilet, no problem. Let's stick it on the side of the toilet and show you what it looks like. Okay, here we are in the guest bathroom. Like I said, super compact, super cute, easy to use. And look at this. How nice does that hide? It's not noticeable. I think that it is perfect. It's not a big obtrusive product like standing out in the bathroom. I think that is super cute and it's gonna be great.